Welcome to your little corner of paradise, right on your porch or patio. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just discovering the joys of outdoor living, today's video is filled with practical, beautiful, and budget-friendly ideas made just for you. Yes, really. We're talking about elegant solutions that don't just save money, they also bring joy, style, and functionality to your summer space. And because we know many of our viewers are 65 and up, these ideas are gentle on your budget, easy on your hands, and tailored to bring a sense of peace, accomplishment, and beauty to your home. Let's dive into the first idea that will make your porch or patio feel like a summer retreat. Idea number 1. The upside-down tomato planter. Made easy. If you've ever wanted to grow tomatoes but thought you needed a big yard or fancy tools, think again. With just a Dollar Tree hanging basket, a coconut liner, and a tomato seedling, you can create your own upside-down planter, right on your patio. Why upside down? Because it saves space, keeps pests away, and reduces the need for weeding or bending over. Here's how it works. Line the wire basket with a coconut liner, also found at Dollar Tree. Make a small cross-cut at the bottom, gently slide the seedling through so it hangs upside down, and fill the rest of the basket with potting soil. Water from the top and hang it on a sturdy shepherd's hook or under a porch beam. In just a few weeks, you'll see those vines growing strong and you'll be snipping off homegrown tomatoes. No garden required. It's a simple, satisfying project that brings results fast, even if you've never grown anything before. Idea number 2. Floral centerpiece with faux flowers that last all summer. We all love fresh flowers, but they can wilt quickly in the summer heat, and replacing them weekly gets expensive. That's why a permanent floral arrangement using Dollar Tree faux blooms is such a smart option. These flowers are surprisingly realistic, especially if you group them by color or type, like all white daisies or mixed wildflowers. Use a planter box or even a galvanized bucket from Dollar Tree. Add floral foam and carefully arrange the stems. For a more upscale look, try gluing moss over the foam base and mixing in real elements like small branches or pine cones. Place it in the center of your outdoor table, on the railing, or near your front door for a charming welcome. Why this matters? It adds instant color, needs zero watering, and lasts the whole season. Plus, it's a great activity for your hands and mind. Arranging flowers is both meditative and fun. You'll feel proud every time you step outside. Idea number 3. Solar light path markers using glass gems. Lighting is everything when it comes to creating a magical summer evening outdoors. But you don't need expensive wiring or complicated installation. Dollar Tree's solar lights are the unsung heroes of budget-friendly ambience. And with a little creativity, you can elevate their look using glass gems. Simply remove the solar light cap from its original plastic stake. Then take a glass candle holder from Dollar Tree, fill it with colored glass gems, and place the solar cap right inside. You've just created a glowing garden light that sparkles like a gem at night. Line these along the edge of your porch, patio, or garden path. Not only is this beautiful, but it also adds a layer of safety, making it easier to see steps or uneven ground. For seniors, this is a stylish way to reduce the risk of nighttime trips and falls while enjoying warm summer nights. Idea number 4. Herb garden in stackable drawer organizers. Fresh herbs like basil, mint, and thyme add flavor and fragrance to your meals and your outdoor space. But if you don't have garden beds or if bending down is a challenge, a vertical herb garden is your best friend. Grab several plastic drawer organizers from Dollar Tree, the kind you'd usually find in the home aisle. Turn them sideways, drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage, and stack them like stairs against a wall or railing. Each drawer becomes a mini planter, perfect for one herb each. Label them with chalkboard stickers, also from Dollar Tree, for that personalized touch. This way you get fresh herbs within arm's reach, and no need to bend or kneel. It's a smart use of vertical space, and it turns your wall into a living, edible decoration. Idea number 5. Faux wood crate side table with storage. One of the best ways to upgrade your patio is to add surfaces where you can set a drink, book, or even a small plant. But outdoor furniture can be pricey. Enter the Dollar Tree crate hack. Buy 4 to 6 of their wooden crates, glue or screw them together into a cube, and optionally stain or paint them for a rustic wood look. Stack them to form a short table. The hollow center, that becomes bonus storage for garden tools, gloves, or even a few extra solar lights. What makes this great for older adults is the dual function. You get a sturdy surface for your essentials and a way to keep your space tidy. No need to run back inside for tools or scatter items across the porch. Plus, the DIY process is satisfying and safe, requiring only basic tools. Idea number 6. Porch basket organizer for tools and seeds. When you're gardening, even on a small patio, you need tools, gloves, seeds, and markers. Instead of leaving them scattered or carrying them in and out, make a wall-mounted organizer using Dollar Tree hanging baskets and command hooks. Hang 2 to 3 baskets vertically on a porch post or fence. Label each one: tools in one, seed packets in another, gloves and ties in a third. It's neat, charming, and keeps your essentials where you need them most. For seniors especially, this eliminates bending or unnecessary trips inside, making outdoor time easier and more enjoyable. And with everything stored at waist height, you reduce strain while keeping your space visually clean. Idea number 7. Wind chime made with beads, shells, and kitchen strainers. Nothing says summer like the soft, relaxing sound of a wind chime, but you don't have to spend $30 to enjoy it. Create a charming chime using a metal strainer, some fishing line, and beads or shells from Dollar Tree. Thread the beads and shells on clear line, hang them from the strainer holes, and suspend the entire piece from a hook or beam. The gentle breeze will do the rest. This project is more than decorative. The soft sound creates a calming environment, which is especially good for reducing stress and encouraging mindfulness. Many of our senior viewers tell us how therapeutic these small touches are. Idea number 8. Faux window box with overflowing blooms. Want that cozy cottage feel? A faux window box is the answer, and no real window necessary. Use a plastic bin, glue faux greenery or silk flowers to look like they're cascading over the edge, and attach the whole box to a porch railing or wall. Choose sunflowers, ivy, or peonies depending on the vibe you want: cheerful, elegant, or romantic. It makes any porch look more homey, and it's perfect for those who love the look of gardening but can't keep up with real plants. These window boxes brighten your day every time you step outside. Plus, they require zero upkeep, ideal for anyone managing arthritis or fatigue. Idea number 9. Outdoor cleaning caddy from a shower tote. A tidy porch makes the entire space feel more relaxing, but dragging around cleaning supplies is a hassle. That's where a Dollar Tree shower tote comes in handy. Use one to hold disinfectant wipes, bug spray, a small brush, and gloves. Keep it stored under your DIY crate table. See idea number 5. And once a week, do a 5-minute cleanup. Wipe down surfaces, brush off pollen, and refresh your faux florals. This makes maintenance quick and manageable. For older adults, staying ahead of mess means fewer large cleanups and less physical strain later. Idea number 10. Bird feeder lantern that doubles as decor. Finally, let's bring nature closer. Take a lantern-style candle holder from Dollar Tree, fill it with birdseed instead of a candle, and hang it from a shepherd's hook. Birds will flock to your yard, adding music and movement. Watching birds is a joy, especially in retirement. Studies even show that birdwatching reduces anxiety and lifts mood, and turning it into a beautiful decor piece adds charm to your space. Place it where you can see it from your favorite chair. And don't be surprised if a little cardinal becomes your daily visitor. Idea number 11. DIY garden stool from Dollar Tree buckets. Comfort is key when spending time outdoors, especially if you enjoy tasks like watering, pruning, or simply sitting among your plants. But traditional garden stools can be bulky and expensive. With just 2 stackable Dollar Tree buckets and a cushion topper, you can create a sturdy, lightweight, and portable garden stool in under 15 minutes. Here's how. Take 2 plastic buckets, stack them open-end to open-end, and secure them together with zip ties or strong adhesive. Then take a foam kneeling pad, also from Dollar Tree, cut it to size if needed, and glue it to the top. Optionally, wrap the whole thing with outdoor-safe fabric or duct tape to give it a decorative flair. This stool gives your knees and back a break while working with potted plants or decorating your space. It's light enough to carry, strong enough to sit on, and makes a noticeable difference for anyone with arthritis, joint pain, or limited mobility. It's not just practical, it's empowering. You don't have to stop doing what you love. You just need the right support. Idea number 12. Cooling Oasis with a Dollar Tree mist station. Summer heat can be exhausting, especially as we age. But cooling off doesn't have to mean staying indoors or investing in expensive patio misters. Here's a clever, affordable solution. Create your own mini misting station with just a few items from Dollar Tree: a plastic spray bottle, a collapsible laundry hamper, and a cooling towel. First, fill the spray bottle with cold water and a drop of essential oil like peppermint or eucalyptus for a refreshing scent. Hang a cooling towel from a hook or the edge of the hamper, and place the hamper near your favorite outdoor chair. Drape a sheer shower curtain or mesh laundry bag over it to create a shaded mini enclosure. As you relax, mist the air or your skin for instant relief. This simple mist station reduces your body temperature, wards off bugs, and makes your outdoor time more enjoyable, especially during midday heat. It's perfect for seniors who love the outdoors but want to stay safe and cool while enjoying nature or reading a good book. Summer should be about enjoying your space, not spending your savings. These $10 Tree ideas are proof that with a little creativity and heart, you can turn your porch or patio into a retreat, no matter your budget. Whether you try one or all 10, you're building more than beauty. You're crafting peace, purpose, and joy right at home. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and remember, beauty doesn't have to cost a lot. It just has to feel right.